Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to download and install iOS 18 public beta for iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and want to install iOS 18 public beta, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, now iOS 18 public beta has been released, and in this video I will tell you how to get this. So firstly, you need to open your settings here. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and if you're using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network on your device. From here you have to select 4G auto, and after this 5G auto, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to scroll it below, and here you can see the option of general. And when I am going to click on about, then guys, here you will see that I have installed iOS 18 beta 3, but now I'm going to install iOS 18 public beta. So guys, easily you can do this. You have to click on software update, and guys, from here you can see the option of beta updates. You have to click on it, and guys, you have to click on iOS 18 public beta. So guys, when you have click on public beta, then guys, you will see here, and you will see update here iOS 18 public beta. So guys, I'll show you. You have to open this again, and guys, after this you will be able to download and install iOS 18 public beta. I have already installed in my iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.